Good morning, everyone. This is Don Meditations, and today's video, I'm going to show you an easy way to juice. So if you don't have a juicer, I already started early this morning, but I just got inspired to do a juice video. So these are the tools I use. I use my strainer. I already started, but I already poured some juice in here in my jar. So I'm going to show you a demonstration on how like an easy way to juice if you don't have like a Omega juicer or one of these, I have an Omega juicer, but you know what? I found out doing it this way is easier. So here we go. So I'm going to take some of this kale. I'm going to juice some kale. Okay, so I already got some in there. I'll put some kale in here. I usually use distilled water. Just pour it in there. Like so. And I'll put the top on. I can put it on. Hold on, guys. Okay, so now, all right. Some up. All right. Blend it up. And that's it. And then so I'm going to take it off. And that's the strainer that I use in the container. Alright, so then I pour it in the strainer. Alright, so from the strainer, I get my spoon. I just work it around, work all the water out just like that. So I just strain it. That's it. Just strain it. So yeah. And as you see, the juice is going there. And this is pretty much what I did earlier before I made the video. I just thought I'd make a video to show you. For those who don't have a juicer and you want to do, you don't have the money right now to get a juicer, this is a very inexpensive way. I just got this strainer from like Walmart for like a few bucks, like $6, $7. This is a strainer. It's a really thin, a fine mesh strainer. Get a fine mesh strainer like this. Just like that. Okay? I can strain this more, but for the purposes of this video, I'm just trying to demonstrate what you can do. And just pour it in your jar. And there you have a nice green juice. There you go. Look at that. Look at that dark green juice. See that? Look at that. All that dark green juice. And that's what you can do. Look at that. And that's good for you. And usually sometimes I add like some turmeric. You can add whatever you want. You can add some turmeric. Sometimes I add a little sea salt. Or my different herbs that I use. I use sea moss, so I put sea moss in it. Kale juice has so many benefits. Has a lot of vitamins and minerals. It's a good way to start your morning. So if you want an easy, fast way to get a green juice, you can do it with a strainer. Just do it with a strainer like this. That's it. All right, and you can get this kale from Trader Joe's. I even get this kind from Trader Joe's. That's it. I usually get the dark green kale like this, you know, because you get all the chlorophyll, all the good chlorophyll, cleanses your blood, cleanses your system, and it has a lot of vitamins and minerals, magnesium, potassium, all the minerals. So yeah, there you have it. So please send a comment. Comment below if you are into juicing or if this was helpful to you. Please like and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, blessed, prosperous day. And peace, love, and positive vibrations. Here's to your health. I'm going to drink me a juice right now. Here's to your health. Green juice, baby. Have a great day.